It all started in a carpenter's workshop half a century ago. In 1957, the foundations of a holding that would someday cross the boundaries of Turkey and reach out to the world in a variety of industries, from furniture to iron and steel, energy to information technologies, were laid in a small workshop in Kayseri. Boydak Holding is one of the biggest industrial enterprises of Turkey, with activities in many industries. A holding comprised of many brands and production facilities, providing comfort and style to millions of homes in the world through strong furniture manufacturing activities. Providing confidence in addition to profits in the finance sector. Providing energy and communication cables to establish a necessary infrastructure worldwide. Augmenting the nation's locomotive textile industry, serving many industries by supplying chemical products. Supplying iron and steel raw materials to mattress and furniture manufacturers in Europe. Providing logistics services without boundaries. Paving the way for a better Turkey with investments in the energy industry. Strengthening worldwide export activities. Carrying out marketing, sales, and logistics activities throughout Turkey for all of the holding's brands. Carrying out sales and marketing activities abroad for the holding's brands. Our holding continues to grow in Turkey and the world with companies that are leaders in their fields. With over 12,000 employees and a widespread dealer network throughout Turkey, Boydak Holding's strength reaches out overseas as well. The holding exports to more than 100 countries, meeting consumers through thousands of sales points worldwide. Boydak Holding expands its field of activity every day. Many Boydak Holding companies rank amongst Turkey's top 500 industrial companies in a survey compiled by the Istanbul Chamber of Industry. Within the framework of strategic management, the holding allocates a significant part of annual turnover to research and development activities and actively raises the bar for service in each of the industries it participates in. In appreciation of the responsibility that comes with being one of Turkey's largest holdings, Boydak Holding also undertakes different projects in the fields of education, health, and social affairs. In addition to the projects of schools, universities, dormitories, health centers, and soup kitchens, Boydak has also implemented a forestation project over an area of 1,100,000 square meters. Boydak Holding continues to grow by complementing societal and industrial values, providing products that are preferred by millions of homes and businesses worldwide, all the while without compromising its principles of transparency and clarity. Let's take a closer look at the companies within Boydak Holding, each a powerhouse in its sector, coming together to form one of the biggest holdings in Turkey. One of Boydak Holding's leading initiatives in the area of furniture is Merkez Çelik. Merkez Çelik has been growing continuously since its foundation in 1992, based on the principle of meeting customer needs in an economic, high-quality, and reliable manner, operating true to its slogan, efficiency and customer satisfaction. The company manufactures sofas, sitting groups, and storage beds. Merkez Çelik, having developed innovative applications in addition to the most advanced technologies for production at high-quality standards, continuously develops its activities through corporate infrastructure and modern production facilities. As one of the companies included in a survey of Turkey's top 500 companies issued by the Istanbul Chamber of Commerce, Merkez Çelik continues to be a center of innovation in the industry. Boytaş was established to provide sofas and sitting groups, bedroom sets, dining room sets, young rooms, kitchens, and bathrooms for the Istiqbal, Bellona, Mondi, and Regina brands active within Boydak Holding. As one of the largest contributors to the nation's economy, Boytaş ranks in the top 100 in a survey of the top 500 industrial companies of Turkey, compiled each year by the Istanbul Chamber of Industry. Istiqbal Furniture Incorporated closely follows the latest manufacturing technologies and keeps the bar high for quality mattresses, home textiles, and fiber manufactured at its Kayseri facilities, as well as mattresses, sofas, and storage beds manufactured at its Adapazarı facilities. Istiqbal Company carries out all activities within the framework of the EFQM Excellence Model and works hard to meet the needs of millions of consumers with excellence. The Mondi Company, another furniture production facility of Boydak Holding, manufactures and sells a wide range of products including sitting groups, sofas, bedroom sets, young rooms, mattresses, storage beds, and home textiles. Mondi continues to increase its annual turnover each year to become one of the largest and most recognized brands in the industry. Boydak Holding made its pioneering textile industry investment in the year 2000. One of the largest textile producers in Turkey and the world, Boytex carries out production at its own completely integrated facilities in Kayseri and Bursa. Boytex is #1 in the world for mattress ticking production and also manufactures upholstery fabric and carpeting. The 50,000 square meter covered and 50,000 square meter open facilities of Boytex carpet production facilities have a production capacity of 500,000 square meters per month for the Deco and Bologna brands. Boytex continues to be the innovation leader in the industry with its impressive production capacity, ability to incorporate the latest technological developments into its production, and an ever-growing export outreach. As a raw material supplier for the furniture, home appliances, automotive and construction industries, Boyçelik manufactures high-quality springs, pipes and profiles at its integrated plants located in the Kayseri Organized Industrial Zone. Boyçelik utilizes the most advanced technological systems in order to supply its customers with the highest quality products. With its extensive production capacity, Serco manufactures semi-finished goods to meet the needs of the furniture and construction industries. The company operates at the Kayseri Free Trade Zone for the advancement of the holding's export activities. Form Foam is Boydak Holding's chemicals industry investment, established in 2002 to serve the automotive, furniture, home textile, and insulation industries with high-quality materials for sitting groups, sofas, and mattresses. With an extensive production capacity and state-of-the-art equipment, Form Foam is Turkey's largest polyurethane foam rubber manufacturer. All Form Foam production conforms to international quality standards. Hess Cable was founded in 1974 as Boydak Holding's technological infrastructure manufacturing enterprise, serving Turkey and 120 countries worldwide. The company's extensive manufacturing range, including communications, fiber optic, LAN data cables, copper and aluminum conductive energy cables, aluminum conductor, enamel bobbin wire, copper, aluminum wire rod and PVC granules, completely meets the needs of the cable and wire industries. Hess Cable manufactures to internationally accepted quality standards using state-of-the-art equipment at its completely integrated facilities. Erciyes Çelik Halat, another company of Boydak Holding in the cable and wire industry, manufactures industrial spring wires, ACSR conductors, and single-strand rope. Adopting the slogan Reliable Power, Erciyes Çelik Halat operates in conformity with ISO 9001 standards. HCS Cabling Systems, founded in 2000 by Hess Cable, is the largest cable manufacturer in Turkey. The company supplies top-quality cabling systems for local networks in Turkey and the international markets. Boydak Holding's latest enterprise, Boydak Energy, favorably contributes to the nation's economy through its energy projects and investments. Boydak Energy provides the holding strength in the energy industry with sustainable growth, new investments, and new collaborations. Boydak Foreign Trade, the export channel of Boydak Holding, exports Istiqbal, Bologna, and Mondi brand furniture to the world with a professional team and thousands of sales points. Boydak Holding's first overseas production facilities, established in 2011 as Bologna Russia and Bologna Ukraine, manufacture panel furniture. Sunset International Trade, based in New Jersey, USA, is an extension of the holding's forward-looking endeavors to become a worldwide brand. The company is a logistics and distribution center working to deliver Boydak Holding brand furniture to a vast U.S. market with a modern and professional marketing system. Alpha Möbel, based in Bochum, Germany, carries out marketing and sales mainly to Germany and surrounding European countries. Other Boydak Holding companies like Boypaş, Bepaş, İspaş, Orpaş, Adakar, Anadolu Dörtler, Doğa, and others carry out marketing, sales, and logistics services in Turkey for the brands within the holding. Boydak Holding affiliate Türkiye Finance Participation Bank provides service to more than 1 million customers through 200 branches and 3,000 employees. Türkiye Finance became even stronger with a 2008 partnership with the National Commercial Bank. The bank is moving toward becoming a leading participation bank. Bizim Securities, founded in 2002, provides fund management, brokerage, and corporate finance services in the domestic and foreign markets. Having initiated many firsts in the industry, Bizim Securities has the distinct privilege of being the only establishment to provide services to 4 different participation banks. Bizim Securities' activities are a reflection of their philosophy that each customer is special. The company's main goal is to be a solutions provider with sustainable customer satisfaction by meeting customer needs and providing the best service. Boytrans was founded in 1996 in order to carry out the logistic activities of the holding companies and provides domestic and international transportation services with a vast fleet, a well-trained and experienced staff, and high-quality service. Boydak Holding's air transport company, Boydak Air, provides air taxi services in a timely manner and in the most economic and comfortable way with an 8-passenger jet and a 5-aircraft hangar. Boyser provides after-sales services to the furniture product groups manufactured by the holdings companies. The company maintains a leadership position in the industry with the Customer Satisfaction Management System TS ISO 10002 certificate. One of Turkey's leading holdings, Boydak Holding is committed to quality, efficiency, customer satisfaction, environmental protection, and the well-being of its employees. Boydak Holding continues to grow, not only in Turkey but worldwide as well, through new investments, successes and innovations through the power derived from our customers, employees, shareholders and dealers. Boydak Holding is Turkey's rising value.